let's go. Let me back you in. Let's see if we can help him. I think that's good enough myself. If you want to get straight, you can straighten it out, but you're in. Whoa.
You were not looking at me. Look at me.
Oh, hey. Oh, boys.
How you doing?
I love it. No mirrors. No mirrors indeed.
They were forming into their ear.
All right. You did it.
It's so hard.
Well, there's no mirrors.
Can't see anything. I've got a mirror here that I put in, like a rear camera.
Yes.
But it's backwards. I put it up and underneath, and it's like, oh, hold on, this is all the backwards.
You like to
Backwards.
challenge yourself, sir.
Yeah. I just realised it today. It's backwards.
Wow. Well, sir, what kind of car is this? I must ask.
This is a 1933 Ford Alloway Speedster. So it's built by Bobby Alloway.
Okay.
He's a legendary hot rodder. Built things with Boyd Coddington.
How did you get your hands on it?
This what?
How did you get your hands on it?
I bought it out of Washington State, and then I put this engine in it. So this is a 460 cubic inch roller, 12-to-1 compression, big block Chevrolet, aluminum heads, dual Edelbrocks, on a 700 R4 that's all fully built by Crown Valley Transmissions, and they built it all up with 1,000 horsepower ability. So
wow. So
9-inch rear end.
from the past, but a modern vehicle, it seems.
Yes, yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, thank you, sir, for your time.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Man, this engine is something else, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
If I don't mean to pry, what do you think you've dumped into this, as in cash-wise?
Well, the original build was 80,000 from the guy that built it before, and I put another 25 into the engine and transmission.
An investment. Yes, sir.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah. It's so.
This was built in 2004.
Okay, so you've had it for a while.
I've only had it since June.
Oh.
So I got it, put the engine in it.
And you're getting used to it.
Oh yeah.
As in the parking.
And the hard thing is, because the shape of the car, you think you're going that way when you're looking at it, but you're not. It's so weird when you've got a shape that's like that. You've got nothing to
Interesting.
judge it by.
I've never thought of that point. Yeah, you're so used to the opposite almost, right?
Exactly.
You're like
Yeah.
trucks and stuff.
Yeah.
Sir, what's your name? My name's Carlos.
John.
John, thank you for your time, and thank you for sharing your story with us.
Yeah,
This is beautiful. Will you get mirrors one day?
Oh yeah. I gotta get some mirrors for it.
One of the cheapest things is going to be one of the best things.
Well, yeah, you gotta get them right though. You know, you
Interesting.
Get the right one. Zipper said that they got some that I can.
Okay.
Try and use.
Next time I see you, I'm gonna give you a high five for that. Oh, sir, have a good day. It's so cute. Let me go look inside here. Wow, look at that.
You didn't look at me because I was you were turning.
So small.
I was
But I must say, he's not a small man.
You feel
He's not
like
a-
you go way more than you are.
Yeah, but you see, like, you know, we have the dealership in Sweden, right? You saw that, and we got to like move when we move the car.
Let's get it back.
And don't do anything. And go there, and that's it. You don't even look. Then you would have dressed up. But it didn't hurt. But then you keep turning.
Yeah.
How I get one?
Yeah. So it's so weird. And then I find that the rear camera,
let's go.